Session. Let's roll, nerds.
Okay.
Jenna Rodriguez. All right, why were you late for court?
The list was really made.
All right, let me just tell you this. Everybody has heard this story from me before. It's a true story. I used to take the bus, and I had clients who would be at court for me at 9 o'clock. And to make sure that I was here on time for the court, I would catch a bus and I would end up getting to court as early as 7 a.m., sometime late as 7:30 a.m., and the court didn't open till 9. So you need to make sure that
All right, buckle in, folks. We're heading into Texas court where drama meets the docket. And trust me, Judge Boyd doesn't play semantics unless it's with your freedom. Let's get into it.
you're on time for court. If you're not on time for court, then what's going to end up happening is we will help you be on time, because the bus schedule from the Bexar County Jail, it usually runs on time. And I usually know where people are when they're at the Bexar County Jail, and you'll be brought over in a blue outfit and we'll hear your case while you're in custody. Do you understand? All right, so where are we on this case?
Your Honor, the state's made an offer. I haven't conferred with defense since we made the offer.
We just want a regular reset to go over the offer and everything and come back with the.
Do you have all the discovery?
Yes, I do.
Have you tendered the offer to your client?
Yes, I have.
Is there going to, Ms. Rodriguez, are we going to have any issues with you with drug testing? Are they going to be clean?
Should be clean.
What does that mean? Should be. Because here's the thing, I'll have you tested today. I have some concerns. So if I drug test you today, what are the results going to be? What could it possibly be? Here's the, okay.
Marijuana. I asked the same question. She said possible.
Marijuana, and what else? What have you used in your past life? Now, here's what everybody will tell you. I'm sure your attorney has told you. You're here for a theft case. And from speaking to you, it appears that there are other issues that are going on in your world.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to figure out what those issues are. You understand? All right. So I don't know what you're using. I think it may be more than marijuana. I'm going to give you a reset, but let me forewarn you. Whenever you take a drug, whatever it may be, there's always a chance that that's the last time you're going to take that drug, because you may end up having an overdose. So when you leave from this...
Judge Boyd just gave her the realest Uber threat of all time. Miss Court again. And next rides in a sheriff's van, wearing county blues. That's not just shade. That's procedure.
Court today, your best options for your best life is to go to an NA meeting or somewhere so people can help you. You understand? All right. Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 2-week turnaround on this for a plea deadline date? All right, we're going to come back on October 21st. That's going to be your plea deadline date. At that time, you need to let me know whether or not you're accepting the state's plea bargaining agreement. You understand? All right, the only reason why I'm not pushing this case today is because I think you need help with your attention, and I think that can be accomplished in 2 weeks. So make sure that when you leave here today, that you go to an NA meeting. They have NA meetings all downtown, so you can walk to it. You don't even need the bus. You understand? And counsel, can you let her know where the NA meetings are located so she can go to that? All right. Do you have any children at home?
It's her this Friday.
Okay. All right. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Excuse?
Yes.
Thank you.
Because they wanted that attorney first, like we would do that.
Yeah.
All right, the court is calling 2017 CR 9939, State of Texas versus Barbara Shorey. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense?
David Player.
And are you Miss Shorey?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision.
That right there? That's not just courtroom scolding. That's life or death advice. When a judge pauses to warn you about fatal relapse, you should be listening with your whole soul.
Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to need to speak up, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Barbara Shorey who was placed on community supervision in 2017 CR 9939 for the offense of robbery on June 21st, 2018 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State?
Condition number 5, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Barbara Shorey did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July and August of 2021 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? I'm sorry?
True.
State?
Judge, we'll waive the others.
Any objections?
Okay.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court can find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 8 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Did you understand? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is finding violation of condition number 5 true. Is there an agreement?
There is not, Judge.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
Judge, we are asking for revocation. This appears to be at least a fourth MTR. I mean, it looks like she's pled true to number 5s at least 3 times before. So she's shown that she's not a good candidate to continue probation. So we're asking that you revoke it.
Defense?
Your Honor, Barbara's just asking for another chance.
Next up, Barbara Shorey. 6 years probation, multiple no-shows, and now the state wants her revoked. If you're thinking this sounds like strike 4, you're not. Wrong.
I think the state, the probation office is recommending continue with some other conditions, and we'd like to consider that at this time.
But why should I?
Well, she has a long probation, and she has children, and the probation office is recommending safety, so maybe the additional treatment will help her get on the right track.
All right, Ms. Shorey, is there anything you wish to say? You want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Barbara Shorey.
All right. You want to explain to the court why you haven't been showing up? Okay, you need to lower your mask so that we can hear you.
I'm sorry, ma'am. It's because I'm quarantined for COVID right now.
Oh,
I'm
well,
under
put the mask on,
That's all I'm doing.
but you need to speak up.
Okay. Well, this last MTR, I did report. I went to the office and they told me to leave the office because I had told the security that I had been exposed to COVID.
Well, see, here's the thing. The problem is you never show up. And when I say never, of course, I don't mean every single time. But I will tell you, every motion to revoke we have for you, it's because you're not showing up.
I did show up this last time, ma'am, but they asked me.
No, you just pled true to not showing up.
They asked me to leave the office, and I stepped outside and I spoke with my probation officer. She asked me to go get COVID testing, and I did, and I was positive for it. And I have proof for my daughter-in-law and my granddaughter.
So did you have COVID in July?
Yes, yes,
Did you have COVID in August?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, well, no, July, I've had it in September, in August and September.
So you
But I
didn't
went
have
to
it in
report
July?
August, I'm sorry. I got out July 28th, I was released, and then in August, I was reporting, and that's when I went to go report. And they asked me to leave the office. When I left, I called her and I spoke to her outside. I said, ma'am, I'm right outside your office. Can you see me, please? She said, I want you to go get tested for COVID. So that's what I did. I went and got tested for COVID, tried to contact her.
So is there documentation for that?
Well, I have documentation at home.
No. I mean, we're here today for a hearing.
She never answered my calls. She just MTR'd me.
Well, here's the problem. You were placed on probation on June 2018. That was before my time. But during my time, you were brought to court on March 5th, 2019 for not reporting. And so your conditions were altered and amended to include mid-mouth evaluations. And you had a TAP evaluation. Then we come back on May 21st, and there's a new number 5, which means you're not reporting. Then we come back on May 17th, and it was recalled for May 18th. And then it was recalled for May 21st. Then we come back on May 21st, and it's not reporting. And now we're here for not reporting.
I understand. Can I see?
Yes.
Okay, the first MPR, my mother was very sick and I had to take care of her. I went through a lot of stuff with her. The next one, I got my kids back. And then, like, I've had 2 of my daughters raped, and I've been going through the process of CPS, which CPS has been involved in where I've been staying with my mother and with my children and trying to get me back because I do not have rights to them because my rights were terminated. So after 10 years, their father, he abandoned them, and then they were with their grandfather, which ended up molesting them and physically abusing them, and this has all been documented. And I was just trying to
Okay, see, that's your, and let me just tell you, you know who's the cause of that? Not of the fact that offenses were committed against them, but their problem is they don't have a single parent who's watching out for them. They have a parent, which is you, who commits robberies and does not report for probation. And again, this is the 3rd time, I believe, that we've been here for you not reporting. So I'm going to grant the state's motion. So the question is, state, how much time are you asking for?
Judge, the underline is 8, so we're asking for 8.
Defense?
We're asking for 2 at this time, right?
All right, Miss Shorey, what should I sentence you? You're looking at 8 years. And that's what the agreement was for you to do, 8 years in prison if you didn't successfully complete probation, and you have not successfully completed it. So I'm granting the state's motion. I am going to revoke you. The only question is, how much time should I give you? So how much time do you think you deserve?
I've already had all this time taken away from my kids. So
Okay, they are children.
Yeah.
They're not kids. And number 2, the reason why you've had time away from your children is because of you. It's not because of me. It's not because of the state. It's not because of your defense attorney.
Yeah, it's because of my past, with my my ex-husband and student being in a physical relationship, physically abused and emotionally and mentally. Like him and his family.
What does that have to do with the fact that you're on probation for robbery? I'm sympathetic to your plight. I'm sympathetic to people who have been victims of abuse. I've had people in my family who have been victims of abuse, so I'm sympathetic to you.
I understand.
But my question for you is, you're looking at 8 years in prison. The state wants you to do the full 8, which is a part of your contract. Your defense attorney wants you to do 2. My question is, what do you think you deserve?
I just think I deserve. Whatever is on you, Judge. On you, Judge.
Okay. All right. Did she ever pay the restitution of $175 to Rosemarie Mauricio probation? And did she complete any courses? Did you complete anger management?
I'm not sure if I took the top here when I was.
And there it is, the ultimate mic drop moment. Judge asks, what do you think you deserve? This isn't just sentencing. It's self-reflection with Shackles waiting.
No. Yeah. Did you know if you completed anger management or not? Did you?
I'm not sure, man.
Probation, did she complete anger management?
No, yeah.
Did you pay the $175 to Rosemarie Mauricio? So let me ask you this. What have you done since you've been on probation other than not report? Have you done anything?
I was trying to get my kids situated and
Children, they're not kids. Kids are billy goats.
for my
So-
children. Yes, my children. I'm sorry.
Okay.
What have you done since you've been on probation other than not report? Name me one thing that you have actually done, started, or completed while you've been on probation.
From my probation.
Yes.
Can I help you?
Honestly, it's right there. I haven't.
Have you done anything?
Besides have being employed, I mean, that's all I can.
Yeah.
That's all I
The
can
only thing
say.
worse.
Okay, so you've done nothing?
She's done a top evaluation and she did a mental health evaluation, but the only the evaluation was completed.
No follow-up from her?
And then she's only paid a total of $92.88, of which went to the rest.
Okay,
We have one negative drug test also.
okay. So there is to be $87 restitution to Rose Marie Mauricia. And are you expecting or no?
No, ma'am, I'm sick from my liver. I have
Okay.
cysts.
Okay, all right. They will make sure you let them know at the jail and let them know at the prison that that's an issue so that they can give you treatment for that, okay?
Yeah, I have to.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Rosemarie Mauricio
Well, we went through all that.
and her family or her residence.
Work is a good story.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is, you do have a limited right to appeal. I'm sorry, could I see that again, please? You do have a limited right to appeal. And that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations, not the fact that you're on probation. Do you understand? Right. Your attorney will explain to you the appeal process. All right, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, yes, yes.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to your attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing, Miss Shorey. It appears that you may have a drug or major alcohol problem. You cannot be in your children's lives and actively be there if you don't take care of yourself first. And that means getting your drug issues under control, taking care of your mental health issues, taking care of your medical health. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank
You're welcome.
God
Who's
bless
here?
you.
And I remember when it was 1980, we thought, oh my gosh, it's 1980. Now, look at us now.
I won't say what I was gonna say, so.
Oh, but I know what you were thinking. Yeah,
Why is the color so off on the TV?
It is very.
I have no idea.
Because you were getting somewhat to a Hulkish tone up there, like it's green.
It's like I'm a green, maybe I'm with the Great Gazoo from the Flintstones. That's my childhood.
Well, that's why I'm going. It's Halloween this year.
Oh, you are?
I'll be Fred.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Jorge's being Barney Rubble.
Oh.
Yeah.
And are you April Sanchez?
That's not.
All right, I'm going to show you a document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same April Marie Sanchez who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 2524 for the offense of felon in possession of a firearm on July 10th, 2020 for a term of 4 years. Is that you?
No.
State?
Yes, Judge, violated condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant April Marie Sanchez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
We'll waive all other violations, Judge.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
It's not.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. You're on regular probation. Did you understand that the court could sentence you up to 3 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Did you understand? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? No. So let me explain it. So you pled true to violation of condition number 5. Do you understand? All right. Now, I can find that true, and I could sentence you up to 3 years in prison. I'm sure your attorney and the state probably have an agreement worked out. I don't have to accept that agreement. And I will tell you, in this court, if I don't accept the agreement that's been worked out, then I will let you know. And even though I don't have to, I would give you a chance to work out something else if I don't accept the agreement. You understand? So, do you understand that by pleading true to violation of condition number 5,
Judge Boyd leaves no wounds unaddressed. Mental health, addiction, parenting. This isn't just a sentencing. It's a sermon on second chances. But the clock, it just ran out.